2006 Chevy Impala Police Edition. Power steering pump replacement. Easy. 3 bolts inside of the pulley that hold the pump on. That's it. You can slide the whole pulley up without taking this line off too. You're gonna have to if you're doing what I'm doing, but it helps out. You just send that cord over, then you can finally pull it up. You gotta take off the tabs that are in there and all that, but this shows you that's the 3 bolts are going in. Tension is right over here. It's just a 3/8 tensioner, you just pull it. But yeah, you gotta take off one of those lines right there. Whatever your choice of tightening is, take it off. Now I'm about to break this line right there and take it to the bench and pull the pulley off. Cut it off. It's a 13mm, 3 bolts right in between there.
Alright, so me and Madison went up there. His buddy, because Tiffany sent a text.